It is difficult to decode a criminal mind, especially of those who commit a crime and show no sign of reproach.
My name is Charles Sobhraj.
Charles Sobhraj is one such criminal who has lived a larger than life, almost like a Bollywood hero who deserves special mention for his performance. He has lived a life like there's no tomorrow, in jail or outside, and preyed on Western travelers who were on hippie trail in South and Southeast Asia, robbing them of their wealth and sometimes of their lives. It's fondly known as a bikini killer because most of his victims were found wearing that attire, and a serpent because of his snake-like ability to dodge authoritative gaze and police investigation.
Many of you may know me from the TV drama The Serpent.
On record, he has killed 20 people, including 14 in Thailand. He has been convicted, got caught, jailed several times, but every time he would come out and he would again start his activities. There was no stopping him. Finally, after serving a life imprisonment of 19 years, in 2022, he was released on the ground of old age and got deported in France. Born to Sindhi father and a Vietnamese mother who were never married to each other, got adopted by his French stepfather, he was renamed as Charles Gurmukh Sobhraj. In his initial years, because of a difficult family life, he gravitated towards crime. It started as small burglaries, suddenly took a serious turn. He started conning people, robbing them of their wealth, which finally ended with him being a serial killer. Because of his handsome looks and charming personality, people would gravitate towards him, and he had a power of manipulating minds and influencing people. He would use his looks and his cunningness to influence people and make them do whatever he wanted them to do. Many people got influenced by him, including his half-brother, who was caught for a crime which he committed along with Charles. But Charles somehow dodged the authority and escaped, but his brother couldn't and served 19 years of life imprisonment. In order to maintain his lavish lifestyle, he would appear to his victim as a gem salesman or a drug dealer and would drug his victim, then rob them of their wealth. And sometimes if some victim would appear to be a little threatening, he would kill them. He had made many accomplices in his criminal career, the last being Ajay Chaudhary, who became his partner in crime. They were pretty thick for a long time and committed many crimes together, including murders. Finally, they had a fight, and it is said that Charles murdered him, leaving no trace of him, as a result of which police is still in the lookout of his body. But Chaudhary is nowhere to be found. Because of his charming personality, women would gravitate towards him. Popularly known as a ladies' man, he was on and off relationship with many women, but got married only twice. Last time he got married in Nepal to a woman who was 44 years younger to him. Her name was Nihita Das. It is said that they secretly got married inside the prison, though both of them vehemently deny that claim. In prison, he lived a lavish lifestyle. He bribed police to get all the modern amenities available to him, including refrigerator, washing machine, and a television. In fact, in 2022, after coming out of jail, when he was deported back to France, where he belonged, many media chased him to get a bite or to make some good, interesting documentary around him. He would charge a lump sum to appear in an interview or a show. His life is so interesting. There are 4 biographies, 3 documentaries.
Nixon. I have been accused of being a serial killer all my life.
And a Bollywood film made in his name called Charles or Main. His character was played by Ranveer Hooda. Recently in 2021, an 8-part Netflix series came out known as The Serpent, which became instantly popular. Let's now find out the books that are written on him. For more interesting stories like this, subscribe my YouTube channel, press on the bell icon. I'm also present on Instagram as The Ninth Born. Follow me there.